this is how I teach my kids to read in the space of 2 weeks. So today we're going to be looking at the CE sound. What sound does the CE make, especially when it's ending a word? So for example, we have, I said the CE ended the word, fantastic. So it makes the sound, just like the S sound, fantastic. So we have d and s, dance. So it's not d ank e, danke, no, it is d and s, dance, fantastic. So the next one is g and s, glance, glance, fantastic. Then the next one is, so we have ch and s, trans, okay? And the last one for today is force, okay? Force, fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if you're a parent and you want to teach your child how to read very fast. Please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.